to Checkers to pick up my lunch. So today's my cheat day. So I'm taking it easy. So see how that turning. Right now, though, it's not as bad today, but any other time. The other times, people drive like idiots. No respect for anyone. And it doesn't matter where you're at, the city, town, where you're at. Where the fuck the cops when you need them? Service. It got the automatic braking energy system, so that helps a lot, because especially when you got to stop and go with these lanes and with these asshole drivers out here. Excuse my language, but they are. Drive like jerks. I guess I'll drive this time. So every once in a while I have this, but I don't do this every day. So it's my pickup order here. So I try to do pickup because I don't always do deliveries. Get it delivered to the house, because with some of these DoorDash drivers and Uber Eats drivers playing games and stuff. I mean, only if I can get it. I'm not saying all those drivers do that, but especially after what happened last Friday. I mean, I was at work and I was staying overtime. And I was trying to order some food and everything. These people can't hear. Yeah. Obviously they're busy, so I'm like they're very short of staff in here too. So as you can see. Thank you. Have a nice weekend. Yeah, right. They don't look like they ain't happy with their job, and that's sad, but like I said, they used to work retail, so 21 years ago. That so as you can see, this is Central Avenue. This is Central Avenue. If you're going east, you're going north. If you're going west, you're going towards West Orange. But right now traffic ain't bad, so ride up a little bit just to test my camera. I'll just test this GoPro that I got down. So this is coming from both my cruises that I'm doing. Excuse the wind. I apologize, but it's out of my control. I just want to see how this works. So, but I still haven't figured out all those features yet. But in a way, this is a one-way street, really cheap, which I don't care. And fuck these people. Like assholes, like I was saying before. Yeah, they need to put speed bumps on some of these side streets, because a lot of the side streets now do, but they, I don't know why they don't put all these side streets for these knuckleheads. These pricks be speeding like they don't have no goddamn sense. Then you wonder why they asking the rate is all damn high. Thank you.
You could go ahead.
Thank you, appreciate it. What floor?
Oh, 4.
4. All right. People don't have no damn respect at all when they driving.
Oh yeah, no, they don't care.
They don't look at you like
Nope.
you crazy.
And they don't care. They
Nah.
expect you to get out of the way.
Nah, I burn their ass. I keep on
Yeah, they
going.
don't care.
Especially they in the wrong. Happy holidays.
Thank you. You too.
You got it. Well, I'm back. So. As you can see, this is my you can see this is my e-bike. And here's my main scooter. So I have a shuttle scooter too though. I don't know if you can see it good, but if not, I'll apologize. So that's fun to show you. Well, I'm going in. Peace.